Exercise number 13, first half, 700 commission book. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali, stenographer. Ready? When we reach the end of a really good book, we sometimes sit with it in our hands for a little while before putting it on one side, comma, and think about the writer of it, full stop. We feel that it would be interesting to meet him, to know the conditions in which he works and the steps he takes to plan his books before beginning to write, full stop. We know that some writers can write anywhere, that they carry about with them a mass of notes written on little pieces of paper, notes of things they have been and thought interesting, of people they have met or seen in the streets, notes made with the hope that one day an opportunity will present itself to make use of them in their writing, full stop. Another writer can work only in the peace of his own room, full stop. He also has seen, comma, but he has made notes in his head, comma, not on paper, full stop. The methods which writers use to commit their thoughts to paper also differ, full stop. There is the writer who has a mind so well balanced and who has such complete control over his thoughts that he can sit down at his writing table and put on to paper just what he wishes to say in just the words he wishes to use, full stop. He has no need to go over his copy and a second or a third time changing a word here and there, adding something to one page, taking out something from another page, full stop. He knows that he has to say and he says it at once in the best possible language, full stop. And other writer finds that his best course is first to make a number of notes as the thoughts come to his mind, full stop. Afterwards he puts these notes into order and quickly writes out something on the lines of the notes, full stop. When this is done, he will work very carefully and will do a piece of first rate writing, full stop. A third writer may also first plan in note from what he has to say, but when the notes are made, he will try to make his writing perfect at the first attempt, full stop.